Alright, so, oh yeah, she's ticket switching, we're good. So see, that's a big black bowl that she scanned. That's a small white little cup that she scanned, so we're good. Let's just wait till she passes off points of sale with it then. Can you guys tell the difference? So you see that's a big black bowl and this is like a small white cup. And then you should see her go here again. And the little paper bowls, yeah, so she's still doing the cup, so we're good. We just need her to leave now.
She never made it out of the store, but she was arrested anyway. Target investigators say this wasn't her first time. They claim she used a barcode switching trick that cost thousands of dollars, but was the evidence really enough to arrest her before she left? Watch the body cam footage and decide for yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Hey guys, how's it
What's
going?
up?
Got a lady. She ticket switches stuff. She ticket switches like she ticket switches using sock barcodes usually. It's a little bit
What was it based on?
like 2,400.
Oh, man.
We have a name for her. I'm not sure if it's 100% accurate, but we have her as Thelma Grant.
Thelma Grant.
Yes.
That's an old name.
Yeah, she's an old lady. I don't feel bad for her though. She knows what she's doing. Like she's been doing this for a while. Like just to give you some insight. $2,400 in theft.
How many? 32 incidences.
Yeah, so she's been doing this for a while. So usually what she does is she grabs like little sock barcodes that are like $1, a little bit less. And she'll put that on whatever else she's buying.
And then she'll actually go through the checkout line,
But
she'll scan the socks
yeah, she scans the socks.
like 50 times.
Yeah.
So while she's scanning, can you pull up like what all
Live
is being run?
transactions.
Okay.
Yeah, we can. She's been doing this for so long that we have all these different incidents on her.
Yeah.
She's been in here a while already?
She's been in here for, I came off my lunch. She's been in here for like 30 minutes. I'm expecting her to head to the front soon.
Is she a nurse?
I have no idea. I know the last time she came in though, she was wearing scrubs, so that's kind of how I picked up on her today. I was like, okay, same scrubs. She's been hitting us forever. Like, her incident started 2020, so she's been doing it for 3 years now. I think she's doing the switching in there where she's changing the barcodes out. Because what she did is she selected like an abundance of those.
But she just tape them on?
Well, they're sticky is what it is. So those 50-cent cups and the 50-cent bowls, like the little plastic ones.
Oh, yeah.
She selected a lot of those. So what I'm thinking, because I've never seen her going bigger before, but what she's probably doing is taking the barcodes off of those and putting them onto the apparel items that she selected and the other stuff, so she can pay 50 cents for those. Oh, no. We'll get her once she pays at the POS and once she exits. We have to, like, Target makes us let them leave. That way it shows, like, there's no possible way they could have intended to properly pay. Like, that's why they call it the last point of sale. Like, there's no way that she could have paid properly. I just need her to get out of the figure room at this point. And like I showed them, I've got 30 plus incidents of her switching barcodes. So I know you guys technically could pull her for defacing the merchandise, but we don't want to do that because it's just Target won't let us do that. But my boss did give us permission. Like if she, for some reason, like maybe sees the cop car or something, if she abandons it, we can pursue a trespass. All right. So oh yeah, she's ticket switching. We're good. So see that's a big black bowl that she scanned. That's a small white little cup that she scanned. So we're good. Let's just wait till she passes all points of sale with it then. Can you guys tell the difference? So you see that's a big black bowl and this is like a small white cup. And then you should see her go here again. And the little paper bowls, yeah, so she's still doing the cup, so we're good. We just need her to leave now. Perfect. This is
I wonder what she did with the cups.
She dumped them. She left them like, she left them where she dumped the other stuff. Hey, I'm sorry to bother. So I have Thelma right here at the POS. She used ticket switch. She switched barcodes. She scanned everything in, but her card might decline. It looks like she's struggling to render payment. If that's the case, the police are saying they have enough to like charge her with shoplifting because she switched the barcodes. But what should we do to proceed? We can.
Yeah, Target can probably, as long as the police want to. I'm willing to prosecute on that.
Okay.
You get us an exit with it.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Bye. Hey, so she's still at the POS, and she's been at the POS for 20 minutes now trying to render payment, and the officer
Remember the first time I got my baton, I went home and I played with it, and I couldn't get it to close, and I was like,
So, he said if you guys want to pull it, we can go ahead and pull it.
Alright.
Let's do it. Alright, thanks, Mark. Alright, bye.
go ahead. I'll take your lead. Got it.
Hey, ma'am, you drop your phone for me?
Uh-huh.
Drop your phone for me?
Yes.
You're under arrest right now, okay?
Hold up a
Place your
minute.
hands, please. Place
For
your hands
what?
behind your back. We'll tell you as soon as you're uncuffed.
What I did?
We'll tell you as soon as you're cuffed.
What did I do?
What's are you? Just let me get some handcuffs on you, and then we'll bring you back and we'll explain everything. Yeah.
Sorry.
What did I do, sir?
Well, I'll let you know. Just let me get these cuffs on you real quick.
Okay.
Don't want to mess up your watch.
What in the world did I do?
We'll explain. Just give us a second.
Would you like me to grab your cell phone for you?
Yes. What did I do, ma'am?
We'll explain it in the office, okay? You're gonna move it over there. Did you want me to disconnect the call?
Yes. What did I do?
I'll check your purse, miss.
Okay.
So, the loss prevention officer is going to explain everything to you.
Yes.
We're just going to sit down, have a conversation, and he'll explain everything.
Right. Because I didn't do, I mean, for y'all to come up and just handcuff me like that in front of everyone, and I didn't do
We'll
anything?
explain everything back here.
How you all gonna handcuff me?
Have a
What
seat
did I
over
do?
here on the bench for me.
Yes.
That's good. You can sit there or there, either way.
Yeah, I don't want to sit down.
Have a seat
Yeah,
for me.
I don't want to sit down, sir, because this hurt me. It hurt my arm.
So switching the
Okay.
barcodes, switching the barcodes of an item is a crime. It's considered.
I didn't switch no
We
barcode.
have you on camera, man, and we have.
What did you, sir? You didn't see me switching nothing. I didn't switch no barcode
Yes,
anywhere.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, show me, please.
I have it right here.
So-
They've seen it. They've
Sir,
been
no, you need to show me. Show me what did I do.
You don't need to show. Okay.
Show me what did I do.
You switched the barcodes of the items that you rang up.
Sir.
From the just got barcodes.
Sir, I promise you, I didn't switch no barcode.
We have it.
Sir, I didn't switch no barcode.
What's your name?
I didn't switch no barcode.
Okay.
Only thing I came here to do, first I came here, I was gonna change my pajamas, but I couldn't get into the chime.
What?
I came,
Time and app
yeah,
that you
into the
made,
chime app.
like a debit
Yes,
card.
I came, yeah,
Change your pajamas?
yes, I bought me some pajamas the other day.
Change.
Yeah, but then when I got to the register, she told me it was fine for me to go ahead and put that in there. I don't have anything else.
Right. I was just looking for. You got ID in here, ma'am?
No, my ID and everything is in the car.
What's your name, ma'am?
And then for you to go, you're not supposed to just search my items.
Well, you're arrested right now, ma'am. So.
Yes, but what I'm saying is arrested for what?
Shoplifting.
Shoplifting,
Please sit down.
sir. Show me proof that I shoplifted anything,
We just told you.
sir. I did not. No, I did not.
Okay. Have a seat for me.
Heck no. Only thing I did, I went and I bought what I had. I was trying to get my money off the chime the whole time.
What's your name, ma'am?
I'm not giving that information unless y'all tell me some stuff.
We did. We tried to explain
No,
to you.
no, y'all did not. The first thing y'all did was handcuff me.
We just told you. You're under
No.
arrest for shoplifting.
How you under arrest? First of all, sir, look here. First of all, I didn't leave out the store with anything, and I didn't
You don't
change
have
no
to.
price. I didn't change no prices on anything.
We
Only thing
watched
I
you
did
do
was scan what I had.
When you were scanning things, it was coming up as a white plastic cup.
Listen, I scanned what I had. You're not gonna sit up here and tell me that I shoplifted anything.
Okay.
I scanned the stuff that I had.
That's something that if you wish to fight it in court, you can fight it in court.
The moment officers moved in, she was still standing at the self-checkout register. She had not walked out the door. That detail matters legally. Under most state retail theft statutes, barcode switching is complete the moment a fraudulently labeled item is scanned. That act eliminates any claim of innocent mistake. Loss prevention called this the last point of sale standard. Still, defense attorneys argue no completed theft exists until merchandise physically leaves the store. That argument has not fared well in barcode switching cases. Because intent is clear the moment the mislabeled item is scanned. The question now is how the rest of this arrest holds up under the Fourth Amendment.
I'm definitely going to fight this in court.
Okay.
I'm definitely going to fight this in court now.
What's your last name, Miss Toma?
Not until y'all give me some information because this is not fair.
Miss Stomach, we observed you bringing up items on the camera and we
Ma'am, I
watched-
bring up everything. No, those are mine. Because my bag is in the
Ma'am,
car.
I'm trying to
Those
explain
are
to you.
mine.
Her selecting those on camera.
Those are mine.
I have you on
No,
camera.
no, sir. First of all, you seen me get another size. That's what I did. And if you see what I put it back.
Okay, I'll tell you what. We won't even prosecute for this. Then we'll just prosecute for
Because
everything.
the only thing you had to do is look and see that I was getting another
Yes, ma'am. I
size. That's
understand.
all.
I understand.
And
but-
they didn't have another size.
Okay, but you still ticket switch merchandise today, and that's what we're gonna
No,
prosecute. Okay. And we have 30
And then
degrees
you are not supposed to search my purse. This lady right here is supposed to search.
No.
If you would like me to search instead of
Yes,
the two
ma'am.
individuals-
Yes, ma'am. Because this is out of order right here. What they're doing. This is very much out of order.
Do you want me to finish the search?
Put my
guys?
stuff back in my purse. Put everything back in my purse. Because I'm not. I'm very. This is very. Sir, you can put those are my items.
These?
Yes, those are mine. You can put it right back in my purse.
Those might be hers.
Put 'em back in there.
So we're not even gonna prosecute on these. We're just gonna prosecute on the merchandise that you switched the
Prosecute.
barcode.
I didn't take anything,
You
sir.
switched the barcode of
Sir,
everything
I
you scanned.
switched the barcode.
Yes.
First of all, I didn't switch any barcodes on
Okay.
anything, and
All right.
I'm gonna sue Target.
That's
Oh
fine.
heck no!
That's
No! I'm gonna sue you all.
Okay.
I'm gonna sue you all because this is not fair. This is not right. Nope.
Okay.
And then to have the police to come and handcuff me at the register around everybody.
Okay.
Oh heck no!
All right.
Didn't even bring me back here. You're gonna come up there and handcuff me in front of everybody.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna get me a lawyer.
Sounds like-
I'm not talking to you because
Okay.
because you didn't do anything to me.
Okay.
You stood back.
Here's the reason why we're here.
Listen, it doesn't matter whether he's the reason. I'm talking about what you all did. Can he just ban me out the store?
Was doing that too.
I know that, but can he let me go?
That's up to them, but I don't think they are.
Sir, that's all I'm asking. Sir, please, sir, please, because this is going to be on me and I'm going to lose my job. I work at the hospital in day surgery. Please. Please, sir.
He's got to keep his job too.
I understand that, but it's their judge, it's their call. Please, sir. I won't step back in here or nowhere around it. Please, sir. I'll lose my job if this is on it. Please. It took me so long to get this job. Please, sir. I'm just begging you, please. Just please. Can I just pay for the stuff and you please, sir, and let me go, please.
Unfortunately, we've had 30 previous incidents of you doing this.
From what and not in here, sir. No, you don't. Sir, I've never been. Oh my
You've
God.
never been to this store before? Is that what you're saying?
I always shop in here. I live right down the street.
Okay.
Sir, you have never caught me in no shoplifting or anything like that in here. Oh my God, I can't believe this. No, you did not.
Okay.
Sir, how much is the items? Oh my, I didn't even leave out the door.
Yes, ma'am, but you can face it.
I didn't leave out the door.
I understand.
I didn't leave out the door. I didn't pay for anything or anything.
It's 5926.
Is that a misdemeanor or felony?
It's a misdemeanor.
Sir, please, I'm gonna lose my job. Please, sir.
I'm sorry.
Please.
It's not my choice.
Well, whose choice is it?
It's Target Corporate.
Well, can you talk to corporate, please?
I already have it. I called. You heard me call them earlier, and what did they say?
To arrest her.
Yes.
I have never been in this store getting caught for no shoplifting or anything, sir. Please.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am, we
please,
know.
sir, can I beg you, please. I have nobody to get me out on bond. Not only that, not only having this charge on me, I can't go to work tomorrow or anything.
Well, you didn't rob the store,
I'm
but you
just
were
saying,
stealing
well,
product,
sir,
which
what
is
I'm
money.
saying, and look here, I can see if I was going out that door and y'all ran behind me and grabbed me or whatever, but you got me right to register in front of everyone. You bum rushed me. You did this and that,
Ma'am,
and you could have called me
we
back.
didn't treat you
sir, yes,
poorly.
You did. Yes, you.
We
don't
weren't
call,
rough with
sir,
you.
Sir,
We
you
were
don't.
polite.
Oh, yes, you know y'all was not.
I
No,
treat
you was
everyone
not.
equally.
You know,
ma'am,
no, was
because I
not.
don't know
No,
you
you
from
was not.
Adam.
Because my granddaughter was on video, and the way that you all came up and grabbed me by my arm and jacked it up like that in front of everybody and handcuffed me, you could have walked me in the back.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
I
you
don't know you
could've.
from Adam. So I would
No,
treat you
and I
just
don't-
like I would treat anybody else.
No, you don't.
Fairly, impartially. Safely.
No, you did not. No, you did not. And I'm not being argumentative to you. I'm just upset and I'm embarrassed.
I can understand that.
I'm upset and I'm embarrassed. That's all. If they can't, they don't worry about it. As long as I know they banned me from here.
Yes, ma'am, they did.
Yeah,
And
okay.
I'll go ahead and show you everybody that needed
Yeah.
to signed off on it. So there's your name, your signature, the property manager name and signature, and that is my name and my signature.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Here, I'll just sign it so you know.
And it wasn't indefinite.
Yes, ma'am, it is permanently.
That's kind of harsh, isn't it?
I didn't decide that.
Sir, isn't that kind of harsh?
What?
Indefinite.
It's not my choice. It's target procedure. That's all it
You
is.
can sit my purse up?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Thelma, so this is a copy of the arrest report.
Yes,
You're
sir.
going to cut a copy of this, and then there's going to be a case report number on here that you can pull from our system.
Yes, sir. Oh, thank you so much.
You got it?
Yes.
Oh, let me unclip those for you real quick.
These right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna just get them out your way.
Okay.
You look really nice with the purse. Do you want to help me with the seatbelt? What are you looking at?
Officers handcuff the subject at the register in full view of other shoppers. Legal, but not ideal. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, 2001, the Supreme Court confirmed misdemeanor custodial arrests are lawful. The Fourth Amendment does not bar a warrantless arrest for a minor criminal offense, including retail theft.